Hello and welcome to another video from me, Charles, and we're visiting the Ngong Ping Village and the Ngong Ping 360 cable cars, which we'll show you in a moment. And there is a separate video on the channel of Ngong Ping Big Buddha, plus the amazing gardens and the Po Ling Monastery. The village is quite modern and there are over 20 different outlets where you can eat and drink. And I'm walking down here towards the cable cars, the Ngong Ping 360, which is well worth a visit if you're coming to Hong Kong. It's one of the highlights. We came here with a guide, but it's actually quite easy to get here. You can take the MTR to Tung Chung Station. You then have two options. You can either get the bus, the number 23 bus will bring you here, or you can get on the cable car to come here. By the way, the bus ride will take around about 50 minutes and the cable car about 30 minutes. And we're approaching the cable car now at the very top. As we get towards the cable car now, there are a couple of choices when you get there. You can either have a standard gondola, I think that's what they're called, or you can have a crystal one. The crystal one has a glass floor, and that's the one I opted for, even though I am quite scared of heights. But whilst here, you might as well. These drums are part of the Fortune Walks 360 and supposed to bring you luck, success, happiness, health. In terms of cost, one way was around £20 and to get the crystal gondola was around £25, so a little bit more expensive, but I think worth it. You can actually book one of these gondolas on its own, but I can't think of anything worse than that. If you want to skip the queues, you can do by booking the crystal gondola and you go into a VIP queue, which is a little bit quicker, although we didn't have to queue that long anyway. And here we are on the gondola itself on our way down to Tung Chung Station. Once you get to Tung Chung Town Centre, there's actually a interchange there, transport interchange, where you can get on the MTR. There's also a massive shopping centre packed with high-end shops, souvenir shops and restaurants and bars. And I've got a glass bottom and it's quite scary looking down there, knowing that separating me from down there is a piece of glass, although I'd imagine it's a very tough piece of glass. And if you look back, you can see the big Buddha on the hill there. What a beautiful sight. And this is amazing, this cable car. I've got to say, I really enjoyed that. And again, another shot from the bottom of my glass bottom. And this journey is taking us over the North Lantau Country Park, also views of the South China Sea, and coming up we'll see views of Hong Kong International Airport. A few facts for you: it was opened in September 2006 and it contains 109 cabins, maximum of 17 adults per cabin, and 3,500 passengers per hour each way travel on the cable car. It is continuously moving, so you step on it as it's slightly moving, and the operating speed is 6 meters per second. The length of the line, making it the biggest in Asia, is 18,700 feet. another look back at the big Buddha, which can be reached from 268 steps. There is a video on the channel as well, so check that out if you want to, of course. If you look closely, you might see some kind of hawk down there, gliding around.
So basically we're on the plane.
And Hong Kong International Airport there, passing over in just a moment. And as we approach the end of the trip, thank you for watching and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.